Team Round. Problem 1 from the 2012 Berkeley Mini Math Tournament. Ed, Fred, and George play on a seesaw that is slightly off-center. When Ed sits on the left and George, who weighs 100 pounds, on the right, they balance perfectly. When Fred, who weighs 400 pounds, sits on the left and Ed sits on the right, they also balance. The seesaw has negligible weight. What is Ed's weight, in pounds? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. On a balanced seesaw, weight times distance is equal on both sides. Divide the two equations so the distances cancel. Take the square root. So Ed weighs 200 pounds.